back again. Yeah, this is MDCR. Alright, so quick one. So I was just trying to create my first beat on Logic, and I just found out something happened. My very first attempt on Logic, I just found out my keyboard, and I already solved this problem on other door, but here on Logic I just have to like, how do I fix that? So like, okay, yeah, I made my research, and I was able to fix it years after making my research. So I just thought of like, let me just share. So now I'll be sharing this. How do I fix? For very first thing, you need to like, if you're having this problem, or instead of sounding do, it's sounding like do and t together, something like that. Or you're playing and is moving up and down, you're not really enjoying your, to make your production so dull. And so all you just have to do to fix this is, very straight thing. I love doing a shortcut. Just go to shortcuts, and all you just have to do, if you don't know the shortcut, go to your Logic settings, go to your preference settings, and go to it will pop out this from the preference. So all you have to do is just click on MIDI. After clicking on MIDI, you come down to MIDI sync project settings, click on MIDI sync, and it will pop out this. You come back to your MIDI again, click on MIDI. After doing that, all you have to do, click on input filter, and this is where audio magics work. Just click on program changes, pitch bend, and system exclusive. It's not really necessary just to do the system exclusive, but whatever you feel you don't need, if you are the go-to keyboard guy that really know, this is other stuff that is happening. Me, I'm just the producer, and I don't, what is giving me problem is just my pitch bend, and I just have to fix it. So other stuff, you click on the notes, you won't hear anything on your MIDI keyboard. So that is all about it, and let's check it out. Are we still on tune? So I'm right on it. And if this thing is still giving you problem, or you just have to do, go and get another MIDI, or go and get a MIDI fix. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.